Don't you just love new project day? Even though deep down inside you know you haven't got time for it, or the budget for it. I mean, here at the workshop, we're always strapped for time. With projects like the Fiesta, that just eats hours. Projects like the E30, which is coming on nicely, but we're now waiting for parts. But when you find that car on Facebook, on the marketplace, you know you just can't resist it. So here it is, our new project, the Volvo 240. Yes, let me show you a little bit about the car. We've not had it that long. I think the lad who owns it, he very much enjoyed doing donuts in it. But it's come with doors, so it's got two spare rear doors and a spare front door, which is great because these ones are pretty rotten. It also comes with a spare boot. But before we go too far with the other boot, I'm going to make a bit of a ducktail to go onto this one, which will be cool, good fun. There's a little bit of a rusty spot here. We made a little hole in it, so I don't know what's hiding behind that.
Obviously we're going to change the paint colour.
Yeah, we're going to change the colour. We're going to paint it a Volvo colour, but like a dark grey. We're going to put a splitter on the front. We're hoping, fingers crossed, we can find a flat front for it and the round headlight conversion. That would be cool. We'll put a splitter, we'll lower it, and we've given ourselves a really tight deadline. We're giving ourselves to the end of the month, which is 2 weeks away. That's a lot of doing in 2 weeks, but I'm pretty sure we can do it.
It is going to look clean and mean.
Clean and mean.
Clean and mean.
Black and grey. So the first thing to do is we're on teardown duties today. Well, actually, we need to get outside and wash some of the mud away from underneath. And then we need to tear it down. Get the panels off, get the bumpers off, get the lights out, get the glass out. Right,
Amazing. Let's
get
crack on.
it. We've got a few holes to weld up. Actually, we've got a bit to make to weld up. It went bong, and then the plastic rivet thing went away. Oh! Look how far it stretches. It's the gift that keeps giving. much room can we get it?
Oh.
That's the string.
Totally not our fault that the camera didn't record, but the interior is mostly out. We've got all the carpets out, all the sound deadening. We're just going to wrap the dash in plastic, try and keep as much dust out of it as possible. Wrap all that, wrap all that. I'm going to take these rear seat belts out, and that should be that inside here. Are you quite comfy on there? You cheeky monkey. Get a nice collection of parts then.
So I'm gonna have a go at making a ducktail spoiler for the back. Well, not for the front, eh?
That's precision screwing.
Ooh!
What's that?
No, it's a 2.5. There.
Okay.
I'm going to put it in the.
Yeah, I know.
Just try and put a curve in that, and see the way this is bending the wrong way.
Yeah.
I'm going to shrink this so it's already curved that way.
Mm-hmm.
The back's curving itself because it's pressing at the boot lid. I'm going to try and curve this, that bit. Not sure how yet, but we're going to try. Yeah, it's going to be cool, babes.